Hi, I'm Omar Jackson with Option 1 Real Estate, and I'm here at the Ridge of Salado Creek, and I'd like to welcome you.
The Ridge of Salado Creek is located off of 281 on the south side of San Antonio near Brook City Base. Hi, my name is Denise Hines, and I'd like to welcome you to Lennar Homes here at the Ridge of Salado Creek. Lennar Homes have been doing business for over 65 years, and we're super excited to be doing business here in the south side of San Antonio. Here at the Ridge of Salado Creek, the model that is currently standing is the Watermill Collection. Inside, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. You have the laminate flooring. You also have the granite countertops, a landscaping package up front, and in the back you have up to 20 feet of sod. This is a beautiful home, very comfortable for a nice family. And then in our Barrington collection, this is one of our smart homes. You have the Wi-Fi certified behind the walls. You also have Alexa who lives there, who controls everything. These are our 2 collections here at the Ridge of Salado Creek, the Barrington as well as the Watermill. So we'd like to welcome you out this weekend to the grand opening of the Ridge of Salado Creek. Come out and see these beautiful homes for yourself. You won't want to miss it.
Hey guys, we look forward to seeing you guys out here for some barbecue this weekend, as well as view some beautiful homes by Lennar Homes here at the Ridge of Salado Creek, as well as get a copy of our broker's best-selling book, How to Buy and Sell a Home Without Being Screwed by Jason Campbell with Option 1. See you guys later.